chat, but Adele unampeel.
Adele
iko sawa. Kwanza the first paragraph, you have to play it at some point. Let me just say, guys, are you feeling some type of way? Is there someone out there who's just amekushika roho? You're like, I love you so much, but they're like, I've moved on with my life, and you're like, hello?
Are you in that situation? Huh?
Kuna moments where I'm just like, but anyways, that's a story for another day. Let's focus. Tuambie, you guys are on Str8Up Live today.
Thank you.
So much.
Hiyo ndio maneno. Why are you here? Because I can. No, Jay. We're backstage, you know, we're having fun, you know, we're chilling, like we've met, we've got a nod. I feel like we're BFFs now.
Yeah,
but yes.
Don't worry. Take it away.
Okay, tuko hapa kwa ngoma mpya.
Yeah.
Ambayo inaitwa Iyo.
But bado not now.
Not now,
okay.
But
just so they know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Inaitwa Iyo.
Iyo like as in Dio Iyo.
Iyo yani
yeah,
ngoma
like,
Iyo.
There's been a long wait, like me I haven't been in the game for quite a minute, so even him.
Yeah. Lakini Jay A,
yeah.
Tule kidogo. Jay A, unajua
bwana. Yes, tuingilie Jay A real quick.
Tumuingilie. Let me just say Jay A amekuwa kwa game, akona ngoma mingi sana, but I think maybe Jay A is one of the most underrated artists in Kenya. Let me try this, because angalia, Jay A akona wimbo, Take Notes, Amina na Jay A On Me.
Yes,
akona Jay A,
prisoner.
Waja na Antonio Soul, Pledge My Love. Akona Jay A na Sage Dumbala, akona Jay A Clap Your Hands, akona Jay A na Tiana. Yo, akona ingine inaitwa Gello.
Yes.
Na jamaa mmoja tu.
Mimi
naambia.
Because unajua alienda shule na you know the schools where people like Jeff Koinange hail from and stuff. You
actually
know,
the president. Oh. Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, but
I think it's really cool that you even go back and you say hi to guys, get your autograph thing going.
You need to stay humble though. Yeah.
You are very humble. You know me, I stay in Langata.
Are you serious? When in neighbor?
I done seen you walking around the hood.
Let me just super chill there.
Yes. Na ule msichana, who's that chick?
I'm Gani.
Oh yeah.
No. Hapo sasa sisiko. No.
Hapo tu. Okay, unajijua. He has refused you on air. Why?
Yo, Chero, alafu we tulia sasa. Mr. Dazzla.
Yo.
Unajua nilikuwa kwenu first of January.
Yeah.
Kilifi.
Yeah.
Na mafans wanakupenda sana. Yaani mimi nataka tu yani uwagotee. Walisema huyu jamaa kwetu sijui nini, sijui nini. Wasalime.
Yo, watu wangu wa Mombasa Coast yani. Nawapenda sana yani. Kama mnavyonipenda mimi pia nawapenda. Na nitazidi kuwakilisha yani Kenya mzima, East Africa mzima, Afrika mzima yani. Hata msio na wasiwasi.
Yeah. Chero.
Nice.
Carry on.
Can I continue engineering?
Carry on.
Zirushe this side.
Actually, Shelf Langata, and then your mama was all up in my face.
Are you serious? When was this?
No, it's so cute when your parents can support you. She's like, unajua, my son Jay A.
Yeah, man.
You should like put him on the show. I was like,
my.
Yes, you and together, like,
shout out to mommy, she's watching, huh?
Yeah.
Shout out to you, man.
Shout out, mama. And you should respect mama, continue giving mama gifts and everything.
Exactly.
Yeah, but it's cool, it's cool. I like to know that you're in the hood. It's nice. Watu wa Langata, keep your eyes open.
Yeah.
I have a question. Does it feel like a bit tough being a Muslim in the music entertainment industry?
Yeah, okay, for me it hasn't been bad. It's been okay for me. Yeah.
Nice. So this track that you did together, by the way, K-Chicks ulisahau kujata.
Yawa. What you say, man?
Ulisahau kutaja Tiana.
Nilimtaja. Buda ni on point.
You're on point. Okay. You guys have done major collabos. I'm loving this joint work they've done together. What made you like want to work together first of all?
Okay, mimi ni fan mkubwa wa Jay A sana. Ningependa kusema kitu kimoja. Waga mimi sisikizi rap za English, unaona? But ya Jay A naelewa sana. So nilikaa nikasikiza ngoma zake, then nikamwambia timu yangu, vipi unaonaje tukifanya kazi na Jay A tufuse Swahili na English yake rap? Wakasema itakuwa poa zaidi, uko na idea poa na tofauti. So tukaongea na timu yake, then wakapitisha na ndio tukafanya ngoma
That's what's up. Ngoma.
Ngoma.
As in the energy you guys have in this video is just chemistry to the max.
And it's more of a fun relationship because I also like his songs. Yeah.
Bro, man. By the way, somebody can be like the haircut, the shades. You see, it's okay to wear shades in studio.
It's cool.
Wearing shades last week. Look, today I'm not wearing. They're all wearing. Are you saying something about it? No. But it's all good. You guys look amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You too.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Kama kawaida.
Kama kawaida. So take a break. Can we take a pause there? I feel like maybe. Because I want you guys to come back and definitely perform this song for us. But before we go, just tell us real quick some of your role models. I know you look up to someone like Wiz Khalifa. Like,
you already know them, huh?
I'm just thinking maybe as we're going on break.
Yeah.
All the mauskizi marap. This is in Guinness and I'm confused.
Okay, me, I can say that my dad, yeah? My dad is my role model, yeah.
Is he a musician?
Yeah, he was a musician.
Wow.
Yeah, lakini tunajua dunia tena, tutoishi milele. 2007 na sasa inaendeleza kipaji yani.
But at least ameacha a huge impact on your life because you're making it huge. You're doing a great job.
Yeah.
Continue right there. So we're gonna take a few minutes to play a few songs, but I feel like maybe you can do like a little Wiz Khalifa, just like a small cover to take us out of this 2 seconds.
Yo, Jay.
Rushia.
Party again.
Any.
Teaming up with the baddest to make you shake like a giant. I step on the ground and the earthquakes. I'm getting bigger with every step that I take. When I progress, they keep on watching on every move that I make.
What?
Team
The
Straight
music,
Up,
please.
keep it locked.
Loving it, Team Straight Up. Let's dance, kidogo.
Yo, Jay.
Teaming up with the baddest to make you shake like a giant. I step on the ground and the earthquakes. I'm getting bigger with every step that I take. When I progress, they keep on watching on every move that I make. I'm penetrating the market, put on a beat and a rocket. When they be frontin', I'm contemplating on stacking my pocket. Man, it's the new, mixed with a twist of violent. And I'm just getting it, ain't no need for no violence. I'm feeling fresher than I've ever been. And looking this good, gotta be a sin. Call up Tiana, tell her bring her friends. Cause tonight we coming back on our knees and hands. Let's see this party all night. Till we see the sunlight shining so bright. Yeah, tonight we hit the party hard. Ain't no way that you can take the party from a party hard.
Baby, don't stop. Love me style from the back. You push forward, me reverse back. Jamaican bad girl say that. Baby, me just love off your body so. You know big tick but you want me spotty cause. Just the way how you wine for me. Let me get back so. Young and cool and you know we are star.
So la nyama biro haja yenu hiyo. Mise Music Empire. Wow. Ceremony classic. Touches on me back.
Nianze na wapi, nimalize na wapi? Kando katikati haya twende basi. Nianze na wapi, nimalize na wapi? Kando katikati haya twende basi. Cheza na mimi, twende paka chini. Kando katikati, vurugu sitaki. Cheza na mimi, twende paka chini. Kando katikati, vurugu sitaki. Kide tucheze wote, kide.
Hapo ni sawa.
Kide, pole pole kide.
Tutacheza sana.
Kide tucheze wote, kide.
Hapo ni sawa.
Pole pole kide.
Tutacheza sana. So vine kide mwana wako usimama dede. Ariche malole zungulu shachumu. Aola gedede. Minukano na kucheki. Ashamba mana bleki. Ariche malole, ariche mableki. Mana cheki. So vine